Hi dear students, how are you all? I hope everyone are doing great. Today we are going to see the lesson The Bird's Eye. This story is taken from Mahabharata. Before moving into this story, I want to introduce some main characters in this lesson. First one, Acharya. He was a teacher for Pandavas as well as Kauravas. He was teaching archery to them. Also we have few more characters in this lesson. First one Yudhishthir, Bhima, and the last one is Arjuna. Let's move to the story. Dronacharya, he was teaching archery to Pandavas as well as Kauravas. One day he wanted to test the skills of Pandavas and Kauravas in archery. He arranged for shooting demonstration. For the shooting demonstration, some parents as well as visitors came to see how the students, Pandavas and Kauravas, were performing. Before starting the shooting demonstration, Dronacharya, he gave some instruction to the students. First of all, he showed a wooden bat. It was placed on the left side of the tree. And he told the student that you should hit the eye of the bird. Dronacharya, he asked his students to stand on the line and should aim at the eye of the bird. First he called Yudhishthir. Yudhishthir, who came forward, he took arrow as well as bow and he was ready to shoot the eye of the bird. Before that, this Dronacharya, he started examining how was his position and he started asking so many questions to him to inquire. He asked him, Yudhishthir, are you ready to shoot? He said yes. Again he asked, can you see me? Yudhishthir said, yes, I can see you. Now Acharya, he told, you just keep your bow and arrow down and go to your place. Next, Bhimasena, he came. To him also, Acharya, he asked so many questions. Especially he asked, can you see the visitor? He said, I can see the visitor but not clearly. Dronacharya, he understood that his aim, it was not clear and told him you should keep your arrow as well as bow down and you just go to your place. All the students, especially all Pandavas and Kauravas, they were coming one by one, and to them Acharya, he was examined and he was checking the position of how they were chanting and he was asking so many questions to them. From their question, he understood their concentration, it was not good. So, one by one he told them you should keep your arrow as well as bow down, then go to your place. Lastly, he called Arjuna. Arjuna, he came, appeared on the line and he took his arrow as well as bow. Now, to him also, Acharya, he started asking so many questions. First he asked, do you see me? Arjuna said, no, I can't see you. Secondly, Dronacharya, he asked, do you see the tree and branch? Arjuna said, no, I couldn't see. Lastly, Dronacharya, he asked, Arjuna, what do you see? Arjuna said, I can see the eye of the bird. Now Acharya, he understood his aim, it was very clear and told him to shoot exactly Arjuna who hit the eye of the bird. So everyone felt happy. After that, Arjuna, he was the one of the greatest person in the archery. From this lesson, students, we should learn whatever we are doing, we have to give our 100% dedication as well as concentration to do the things.